So in this video, you'll learn how to enable or disable adaptive brightness on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Adaptive brightness is a feature that simply allows your device to use its surroundings to determine how bright the screen is going to be, or even how dim. So the first step when it comes to turning this feature on is to go ahead and open the Settings app. Once you're in Settings, you're then going to scroll and select Display. And then under Display, you're going to look for Adaptive Brightness. So currently it's turned off. So if I want to turn it on, I'm just going to tap on the toggle like that. And now, depending on my surroundings, whether it's extremely bright or extremely dim, the screen brightness of my device will change. However, if you want to disable adaptive brightness, then what you're going to do is just tap on the toggle. Now from here, it means that adaptive brightness has been turned off, and if you ever want to change the screen brightness, you'll have to do so manually, whether from the quick settings panel or even just directly from the settings app. So you have this slider here labeled brightness, and you can use it to adjust the brightness of your device to your liking. You'll also see the option extra brightness appearing, and with this you can just enable it and you can allow your device to become even brighter than what it normally is. Bear in mind that this will drain more battery, so if you choose to leave it on, ensure that you have a charger close hand in case your device drains quickly. And so that's how you can enable or disable adaptive brightness on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.